Okay guys, so today, I did the Nerf video, and, I just, tested, which, Nerf gun, was the most accurate, and, I just want to start off by saying this was, not all my guns, and, didn't quite work out. What I want to do next time, I guess I'm going to do it again. There's two reasons. A, because this wasn't all my guns. And B, it's not edited right. Well, also, I guess three reasons. And C, I'm moving, so yeah, and four, better equipment. So, yeah, four reasons that this will be done again. And, yeah, so what I did, was I shot, each of my guns 5 times at a target. And, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna, like, next time, I'm gonna put, like, paint on the darts and shoot them at a white piece of paper. And each gun's gonna have different colored paint, so you can see how accurate they are, and I can compare them and show which has the tightest grouping. And, yeah. So, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do another one in the future. Like I said, for those 4 reasons. And this next time, I'm gonna put paint on the darts, so when they hit the white paper, you can see where they hit, and you can do a groupings test on their diameter and their spread, and you can compare them against other ones. Like I said, so this time's pretty bad, but anyways, it's not gonna do it at the time. Like I said, I'm gonna do it again in the future. Let's get into it. Okay, I started it off with the triad, and I shoot each gun 5 times, and you can kind of see where the darts are landing, but like I said, it's not that good. So I apologize for that. But like I said, I'm doing it again in the future with the painted darts and the white paper, so you compare them in diameter and the spread and everything like that, and the groupings. And yeah, like I said, this wasn't all my guns. And yeah, this wasn't all my guns. And yeah, the guns kind of jammed up and stuff. I'm moving, and like better editing, and yeah, if I mentioned all those reasons at the beginning of the video. But like I said, there'll be a better one in the future that has a comparison, and like I tell which is accurate, which is just showing which kind of accurate. Whoops, just dropped my phone. Oh, I started over. Darn it. Okay, we'll just go up to here. Okay, that's the hellfire, but I had no clue where I was at. So, yeah, so honestly, this was a pretty crap video. Just wasted a whole bunch of my time making this. This is the rival Zeus. All the batteries are dead in it. I showed the one after I shoot it. But like I said, there's going to be a better one in the future. So what I'm going to do now is, it's going to be quite a long video. So I'm going to, go get a drink, and I'm just going to have this play. And, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I have no clue. I stomped my feet all over here, but whatever. My dad's making leek soup. Oh. But yeah, like I said, there's gonna be a better version in the future, which also with like a comparison, a grouping, diameter test, spread, and me telling you which is the most accurate. And I shot in every gun without a barrel, and some of these guns are modified. And I know the sling fire, I shot a streamlined dart instead of elite darts, but that's better. There's the sling strike. Right there. And I know half the time you can't even tell where the darts are landing, but yeah, sorry about that. It's gonna be a long video. We're only 5 minutes in, and well, I guess this will tell me how long this screen recorder can record. I believe this is the deploy. Yeah, I believe it is. Hey, Pepper. The cat came in. No, that was the modded night finder. With a paint job. Now this one is the rapid strike. The batteries on this are kind of dead, and also it jammed when I went to shoot it, and I believe it only shot one dart. Yeah. And I believe this is the end of the rapid strike. I put so much work in this video, and it just turns out so bad. But, you know, like I said, it's gonna be a better one in the future. It's kind of just like a little preview. Like I said, this wasn't all my guns. And, yeah, like I said, I've already mentioned, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make another one in the future that's better than this, like with paint on the darts and shoot the paper. And you can show up in the paper, then you can compare them in the groupings test and all that. Now this is the Tech 6. Oh, and did I mention each gun's loaded up with 5 shots, but not like all the guns have 5 shots. Which one did not have 5 shots? Well, the ones that jammed obviously didn't. The ones that jammed, I know, I can remember that the, what was it, rapid strike and the long shot both jammed, and the Centurion jammed. But, yeah, not everything quite worked out how it was supposed to. That's another reason why I'm doing another one, and that was the Tech 6. This was the deploy. How far are we? 8 minutes. Oh boy. Okay, guys, my mom is in the bathroom right now, and when she comes out, I'm gonna go in. Well, yeah, the video's gonna play while I do that. Yeah, the deploy is pretty crappy. in the bathroom. Okay, this one is the reflex, and it's being shot with the whistlers. That's what the gun came with, whistlers. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and this video is gonna play while I do that. Oh, and by the way, the target I'm shooting at is a dartboard. So now I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Or not. So guys, I went to go to the bathroom, and my dad went in right after my mom. So now I have to wait for my dad to leave the bathroom. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Well, that's my chair squeaking. I had a new chair. This one like squeaks, and it's just not really amazingly comfortable. I mean, it works for its purpose, but it squeaks and not 100% comfortable. And so now I'm gonna go shoot the demolisher. Well, I've already shot it. This is a video. And yeah, I have to do a 5-paragraph essay, and I have to do tomorrow. And I have to find out what question we have to do because I forgot. I'm texting all my friends, and none of them. Well, the other one, he's in like a learning support, but he's not like autistic or anything. He's just a little slow in some subjects. He's not like book smarts, but he's not like dumb either. I know people that are not in learning support and are dumber than him. But yeah. But he doesn't get the same stuff we do. I mean, he has the same packet and stuff, but it's not 100% the same. Then I texted my other friend Audrey, and well, he just didn't do it because he's not the smartest person. He just chose not to do it. Okay, now my dad left the bathroom, so now I'm gonna go, but I still have to find out what question to do for that 5-paragraph essay writing on the story. So now I'm gonna go to the bathroom because my dad left, and I'll be back, guys. you're wondering why I keep leaving, you're probably like thinking, oh, you're such a crappy YouTuber, you know, leaving in the middle of the video. Well, really, this is just me showing you the footage. And this is just me shooting my turret. And now I'm shooting the long shot, which this one jammed, which not good. I'm gonna eat some Fritos while I watch this, because my dad's making leek soup, and not too good. But first, I'm gonna get one of McDonald's moist tellets, which I got from the time I was at McDonald's. The McDonald's moist tellet. So now I'm gonna, you know, start some crunching. So if you hear that, you know what it is. There's a YouTuber named Bryce Gum. You guys can go check him out if you want. But warning, you might see some inappropriate and some swearing. So just not the most appropriate stuff for Bryce Gum's channel. Just a little warning, so I can't say I didn't warn you if you check out his channel or not. Like I said, I can't control if you check it out or not. But like I said, just gave a warning. You're not gonna see the most appropriate stuff, and there might be some swearing. Oh, here, this is a modded sling fire. There's a video on the channel, the mod guide, and yeah, the clip got jammed. It was like stuck in there. But anyways, Rice Gum, he said he would upload every day of 2017, and like January 6th, he like stopped uploading. And he hasn't uploaded since. These are ranch Fritos, by the way, guys. And there's also a video of me doing the Takis challenge on my channel. So yeah. And I also did complete the Takis challenge, and I hated about every second of it. I don't normally like to eat on camera, but I'm pretty sure everyone left by this point. But if you're obviously hearing this, yeah, I'm just really bored, and plus my dad's making leek soup, which is not good. So yeah, I'm also pretty sure everyone left the video by now, so I don't think anyone's gonna know I ended the video. Unless I have like 100,000 subscribers at some point in time, in all my old videos. People just go watch all my old videos. But that probably will never happen. If I ever do get that many subscribers, I don't think a lot of people are gonna go watch a lot of my own videos. Because I upload back to back to back to back. So every time I upload a video, I upload back to back to back to back. So when upload a video. When that one's done, I upload another one, and that one's done, I upload another one, and that goes on and on and on and on. So that's why I have so many videos. Here's me spinning the jolt, and it was not even caught on camera. I have it, guys, in my camera stand. Oh, and that is the back of the retaliator. I mean, look at the back of the retaliator. It was broken, like I said before. Yeah. The back just, it fell and broke off, and now, no more stocks. I also found an XD retaliator in my basement. Oh, I didn't find the XD retaliator. I found the clip to it, and 11 darts in the clip, and the grip. That's what I found. So I found the clip, the 11 darts in the clip, and the grip, and I found that in my basement. I must have took the gun down there like a long time ago and never brought it up and just lost it down there. I don't know, but the rest of the retaliator's down there. Somewhere. That's the XD retaliator in the basement. I don't really know where it is. I'd have to go through the whole basement, which I'll just wait till we move to go through everything. Then I'll find it either way. Oh boy, my XD stripe. That stripe has been through a lot. It was in my paint job video, which that video is called How to Paint a Nerf Gun, and there's a video of that on the channel. And it was all through Nerf Strife versus Water. There's a video of that on my channel, and it's also been through Nerf Strife versus Drop Test. And like I said, all three of those videos are on my channel. So go check all them out. And now my Strife only works about half the time. Okay, we got about a minute left in this video. Or you can just look at the red bar. Yeah. I can't really say which Nerf gun is the most accurate, but like I said, that'll be determined in the next video of this. And I've already mentioned that video is going to be better, like paint and Nerf darts, so you can see where they hit on the piece of paper, and that you can compare them. You can see their groupings, their diameter, their range, and all that next time, and see which Nerf gun is the most accurate. But anyways, that's next time. But in my opinion, which Nerf gun was the most accurate? It's probably between the Retaliator, my Spectre, which is a modded Spectre. There's a Spectre mod guide on the channel. The XD Strong was pretty accurate. There's a mod guide of that on the channel, and some versus videos of that. And also the Retaliator was pretty accurate. With Sling Fire, as I mentioned, has a mod guide of that on the channel. And what other one? The XD Strife is also pretty accurate. Which, like I said, there's some versus videos of that and the paint video of that. Like I said, this is the Nerf gun accuracy test. And yeah, like I said, will be another video in the future of finding which Nerf gun is the most accurate. Like I said, this wasn't all my guns, and I mentioned all at the beginning. And what's going to be better in the next one. and the next one we will determine which one is the most accurate. Now I'll see you all next time, or in any of my other videos. Please like if you enjoyed, please subscribe for more, as always, have a nice day.